So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Cognizant off-campus drives 2023. So there are multiple open positions are there in Cognizant. One by one we'll be discussing about the eligibility criteria and about the roles and responsibilities. But before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off-campus and about the various preparation videos and the guides, and also related to the various technologies like SQL and data science, machine learning, so and so. And also we are taking mock interviews as well. It's absolutely free of cost, so you can drop an email to our email address helpfultechniques@gmail.com to schedule your mock interview. So we'll review your resume and based on your interview or mock interview we'll suggest how to prepare for the upcoming interview, right? So now let's discuss. So first position we'll be discussing about is the software engineer. So this is the career page of Cognizant. I hope you know this is the job ID. So I'd suggest all of you, if you are willing to apply for any position for this Cognizant, try to reach out to any Cognizant person or the employee and ask them to refer for this position, so that you will be able to get more preference, your profile will be getting more preference for this position. So now let's discuss about the technology. So you can go through all the things like what are the competency or what are the roles and responsibilities, so and so. But main thing is the skill. So these are the skills required for this position: microservice, Spring Unit, Core Java, data management, data governance. So these are the things or the technologies, or you must be having some knowledge about all these things, or these are the skill sets required, or the experience or the expertise you need to have. So coming to the experience part, so you must be having minimum of 1.5 to 2 years of experience for this position. Freshers are not eligible for this position because it is not for the trainee. It is not a trainee profile. So if you are interested, then you can click on the apply now, then you will be able to apply. And this is for the Pune, Maharashtra location. But as of now, they may provide you the work from home, because again due to this COVID they may provide, but it is all about the project or the client. And the second is the programmer analyst. So this is again for the Pune, Maharashtra. Don't see this one, senior application analyst. So mainly it is for the programmer analyst, and this is related to the project or the specific to the project, like what will be your role and what will be your role according to the project. And qualification needed is science or engineering student or the graduate. That means MCA or BAc or the science candidates are eligible, and plus the engineering candidates like BTech or MTech students are eligible for this position. And now coming to the skills part. So Salesforce knowledge you must be having, and Salesforce integration or the analytics. So it's a analytics profile or analytical background, you must be having some knowledge. And as you know, for the programmer analyst you must be having minimum of 1.5 to 2 years of experience in order to become a programmer analyst in Cognizant. So freshers are not eligible for this position. Programmer analyst you must be having at least 1 year of experience, at least 1 year of hands-on experience for this. And again it is for Pune, Maharashtra. And you can go through all the things are same, like manage tickets and the service task. You need to, as a service analyst, you must be supporting the project and all, so and so. You can go through all the things later. So coming to the third position, so it is for the programmer analyst trainee, and here the freshers are eligible because it is for the trainee position. And fresher in the sense any batch candidates can apply, provided you must be having 0 to 1 year of experience in any IT background or any IT field, right? Because it is a trainee position, and it is for the Kolkata location, and this is the job ID. So now coming to the same qualification, it's science or engineering graduate. Qualification is same for every position, so no need to repeat this one again and again. And you must be having Salesforce experience or the knowledge, because it is a entry level position or it is a trainee position. They will not expect that much of knowledge about all these things, but you must be having some idea about the Salesforce, like why it is used and what are the components, and how to like manage, or how to, like how exactly it helps us to relate to the analytics and all, right? Then coming to the fifth one, it is again for the programmer analyst training, and it is for the freshers, but it is for the Bangalore location. Coming to the qualification, same. And if you see again Salesforce and customization. So basically, if you are interested for this position, or if you are okay with the Kolkata location, then you can apply for this position, or else you can apply, go and apply for this job ID, because it is for Bangalore, if you are willing to join Bangalore location, or if you are looking for the Bangalore location job. And don't see if the job posted, if this job is very old or not, because these jobs are always active, and based on their requirement they hire actually. And again, this is for the programmer analyst. So now let's check the skills. So here .NET and UiPath and Blue Prism, these are the like skills you must be having a knowledge about, Jira and other things. So again, this is for the programmer analyst training, that means freshers can apply, and again it is for the Bangalore location. Coming to the sixth one, programmer analyst training, and it is for the Chennai location. Then coming to the skills part, so Adobe XD, visual design element, and Adobe Photoshop and all. So I think it is not that much related to the technical background or field, but it is a kind of it is for the fresher. Then coming to the seventh position, it is again for the Bangalore. So let's check about the skills. Yeah, Blue Prism, UiPath and .NET. So it is, both are same. It is for Chennai, and it is for the Bangalore location. Then coming to this one, this is for the Pune, and I hope the skill is same. Yeah, so it is for the visual design elements and funda. So these are the like various positions are available. I'll be sharing these links with you, so that you can check the skill sets required, or your interest or areas of interest. Accordingly you can apply for the positions, because if you see, especially for the programmer analyst trainee, they will not put that much emphasis on experience and all, or the expertise, because it's an entry level position. They don't expect that much knowledge from you, and based on your interest you can apply for any position. If you want to go in Salesforce or the Blue Prism or the JavaScript and all, like you can apply to the related job ID or application link, right? These links I'll be sharing, these 8 links or the job links I'll be sharing in the description of this video. You can go through and apply based on your eligibility, and you can apply for the multiple positions. No one is going to like restrict you from applying for multiple positions. It's up to you. So I hope it is clear to you. So in the next video we'll be discussing about some other off-campus drives. So till then, bye bye, and all the best with your job search.